Okay, well, you know what? Just before we wave the white flag for today, or for right now at least, um, gonna just try one more time. I'm gonna jack the bitch up in the heat and see if that helps in any way. But I'll figure it out right now. So just letting it heat up right quick. But yeah, man, I'm not sure what's wrong with it. These fucking cheap ass fucking pliers are ass, bro. Look at that shit. So fucking cheap ass pliers. Probably a cheap ass. Well, come on, don't get frustrated. Don't frustrate. So yeah, I'm jacking up the heat over here, and what's the hottest part on this bitch, bro? Like, is it supposed to be the needle head? Mm. Right, so yeah, jacking up the heat. I'm checking out the heads over here. Maybe something will help better than what it's at right now. But I just feel like it's super small, bro. I mean, I don't know like what else would help it. I mean, that's pretty good where it's at, what it is, you know. So let's try it one more time, and yeah, let's hit it again. So let's see. Let's see if this melts down a little bit. That bitch is on. She's on. That bitch is hot. Is it like, oh, yeah, it's too hot on there. I want to burn the fuck out of the thing. We're on 400. Let's see if that does it a little bit better. So you can see a big ass chunk on this. So you right there for a minute. You see that? What the fuck is that? Come on, man. don't see shit coming off no more, bruv. Come on, brother. Nope. Not even budging a little bit, bro. Ain't do nothing to that bitch, bro. I don't fucking get it. Some solid anchors, brothers. I can see, look, see, this one just fucking melted all badass, bro. On that one right there in the middle. But the other ones, I have no idea why does it want to. Bitch. We'll figure it out.